Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today in this video, I will presentation about my portfolio. I will talk about my skill and then my experience, education, and the others about me. So, before we start to the real slide, I will introduction to you. My full name is Yusuf Naf Albana, and now I am in at school Idean Boarding School Solo, 11 RPL, and then I take major. The name is software engineer. So as or like web developer, yes. And then about short personal tagline, I'm adaptable, focused, and consistent for yes about that. And then in about me background like that, I 11 grade RPL at the Boarding School Solo. And then I'm experienced about design UI UX at website or at the application. And I also experience in developing website and mobile application. And then next, still about me, I have four personal strengths. The first is end-to-end execution, the code, and capable to building apps from UI design from Figma to full backend integration. So before like full stack developer doing, the first is design the web in Figma, and then they will building from design to the full website, full like front end and back end. And then the second is versatile tech stack, proficient in various frameworks across web like React, Laravel, Next.js, and mobile. The framework is Flutter. And then high resilient is the problem solver under real work pressure. So if I have a problem, I will solve that because yes, like that. And then analytical troubleshooting, strong in debugging code and resolving complex system error. And then about my soft skill, the first is problem solving, analytical approach to troubleshooting and bug fixing at back end or in the front end. And then communication, capable of presenting technical system clearly to audience. Also, teamwork and adaptable, collaborate and quick to learn new tools or new technologies from the team. And then discipline, strong time management for meeting project deadlines, like Gcom. And then career interests and the future goals. My target is to become a professional UX designer and also to become a full stack developer website and the application developer. About my vision is to build efficient, user-friendly software ecosystem that provide the real-world solution. The next is about my education. The first I school, elementary school at SD Negeri 32 Banda Aceh. Islamic character building. It's nearby my house, so I joined the school. And then the secondly is SMP Islam Cendekia. In SMP, or junior high school, I learned how to be a leader because I be a join OSIS and then become one of the leading the meetings. And then the last is SMK Iden Boarding School Solo. This school, in this school, I learning about technologies, IT also, like software engineer because it's my major. And then next, my major is software engineer. And then the relevant subject is web development and mobile application development. And then OOP or object oriented programming. And the third, database management system, SQL and NoSQL. The last is UI UX design and interactive prototyping. And then about my skill, the first is hard skill. Uh, and then the first full stack web development. The second is mobile app development. The third UI UX design and prototyping, and the last database and API integration. In the soft skill is I have talked about it before. And then the tools. The first is frameworks. I use framework. The first is React, and then Laravel. It's the two of this is for a website, and then Flutter, and Flutter is for mobile application development. And then language I use for making the website. The first is JavaScript. It's one of popular language programming. And then Dart, it's for Flutter framework. PHP for Laravel framework, and Python, yeah, another uh, another skill. Okay. And then the last is design and backend. I use design using tools Figma, Canva, for design like poster or making UI UX website or application. And then for the backend, I use Firebase. It's from Google, so it's good enough. And then Supabase, I usually use that for a personal project. And then MongoDB, I just learn it little. And then I will show about my project. The first is Salahuddin Library website. Okay, and the description is a full stack development website, a full stack web development for digital library management, featuring book catalogs, digital loaning or borrowing, and a payment gateway using Mitrans. And then project objective, development as a final competency assessment for Ujicom to digitize and streamline conventional library operation. My role at this project is full stack developer. I handle UI UX design and the front end. So I from design I make the front end for the website, and then I also the back end developer. Yes, and then the tag I use and impact. Okay. Build the first is impact. Build a responsive and interactive interface using React JS. And then for the management authentication and the data, I use Supabase for manage. And then successful implement and automated payment using Mitrans API. Okay, the second project is about my portfolio website. I have inspired by Twitter or X for the layouts, and then the objective is show my skill, project and experience, and others for about me. Then tag I use The technologies is React, the first, and Tailwind CSS for making modern UI like Twitter. And then the backend, I use Express.js and Node.js for handling logic and APIs. Then tools, the first I using Figma, and the second I use Git for managing to the GitHub. And the last about my project is Salahuddin Library app. So it's same like the website, but it just for admin integration. Yeah, like add book or add catalog and others. The technologies is Flutter. I using Flutter for making it, and then the backend I use Supabase, same like the website, and then the UI UX I use Figma. And then the certification, I have many certification from the coding, but it just a free certification because I don't pay it. And then another certification, I join GDG at Surabaya, and then I join poster design competition. The theme is about mental health. And then the third, Pukanas, bahasa Inggris. Okay, the challenge and lesson learned. The biggest challenge, be a developer app or website is handling complex data like a book list or launch status across different screen in the application. The solution is using Git allowed me to experiment with the new features and safely roll back if something broke the app. The lesson learned, I summary, okay. I reset the small detail in the passback.yaml or database schema and can have a big impact for the application performance. And then the future plans is be a full stack developer and application developer, and then join industry professional to improve my skill in web and application. Skill to develop advanced framework mastery like Flutter, React, and Laravel. The backend, and then the second is backend and real-time integration, mastering database management and real-time synchronization using Supabase and Firebase. And then this not important. I skip. Okay, maybe that's all for about my portfolio presentation. Maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.